On this video, we're going to take a look at using Fibonacci retracements and ratios in our trading as day traders to give you those great reversal areas. It's so important that you know where there's big resistance and support on your chart, especially as a day trader, because you can trade from those support and resistance areas using our tools here at Trading College. So let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracement. I think a lot of people get confused with fibs and they feel like it's complicated. They're complicated to use, but they're really not. For me, it's all about keeping it as simple as possible. So I want to show you here something and how we would use the retracement tool to get you into trades nice and early. All right, so let's take a little look at the German DAX here on a 1 hour time frame. Pro trading system on our charts here giving us green buy signals and red short signals. Okay, so I want to take a little look at the retracement tool, which is on the bottom left hand side here of my chart. Now you can place this tool anywhere, but I want to place it on my chart that I can get access to do it really quickly. So you don't want to be doing too many clicks on your chart to be able to get your fib tools, okay, to them. So they're right here. Just click it straight away. Now I want to be looking at, I'll show you guys. I want to be looking at this zone here, okay? Now, what it happens, we're looking for the retracement tool. So I want to look for a retracement on a chart. So as the market comes down Thursday and we rally overnight into the early hours for the morning move on a Friday, this area here, this yellow circle, is a big resistance area for me. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, it's okay to short it or look for that reversal on a 1 hour, but how can I get better risk reward? And now this is the secret, really. Well, it's not a secret because I'm telling you, but what I do now, if at 15,990, 995 I see that fib retracement, let's do it again for you. Take it from the high, click, drag it down here, click, and then let go. I've got then the 61.8% fib right here. So I know this early morning Friday move, I'm into a major fib reversal area. Okay, how do I trade it? So what I want to do then is drill down to a smaller time frame. So I'll go down to the smaller time frame. Now I'm using the 5-minute chart, and some people use the 2-minute chart. That's perfectly fine. But you can see here, that's that retracement on the 1 hour, but now we're down to the 5 minutes. So this morning, the 6 o'clock early morning move, we get the red pro trading system sell signal. So that means then, okay, it's hit that resistance on the 1 hour. Now I've got the trigger. So setup, then trigger. Trigger, drops down here. This moves 90 points to the downside. So this 90-point move, you know, and you're doing like, you know, if you're spread betting this market at 90 points, multiply that by £10 a point, you've made £900 just in this move here, just by doing a little bit of work with the fib retracement resistance area ratios, and then going down to the trigger time frame, which is the red pro trading system sell signal here. So catching that early morning move. And I want to do this on every chart, on every market, FX, indices, cryptos, gold, whatever you're trading. I'm using the bigger time frame for structure, and then I'm drilling down to the smaller time for the entry. You do that multiple times, you become an expert in that field, guys. All right. So the morning move, which is the European session, is the most powerful move. It's where all the volume comes in. Equities open up at 8 o'clock London time, FTSE. DAX is trading, and so Frankfurt's trading. So we want to be taking advantage of that morning injection of volume, and just by using some fib work on structure, okay, you know, morning breakouts, you know, trading the European, the Asian range, that stuff does not work, guys. Okay, it's an easy trade setup, and you know, putting a break above the high, short below a low breakout, you get stopped out more times than you certainly do. So using just a little bit of fib retracement can give you the heads up of where the market's going to reverse. All right, and by just practicing how to use the fib retracement tool, you know, even in this area here, you can see how it come down very nicely here. This no doubt would be a fib area. I would then drill down to my 5-minute green buy signal and then take that move up into there. This move up here, the retracement, that would have been a fib area here. I'd have gone down to my 5-minute chart for the green buy signal, and it moves up very nicely. This pullback in here, this would have been a fib retracement. I would have gone down to the 5-minute and taken the pro trade system buy. So you can see where the fibs are all over the place on just a 1 hour time frame using the DAX as an example how you could put the odds on your side to make some very nice trades. Hope it helps, guys. Speak to you soon.